The dopamine fast is a lie. You cannot fast. From your own biology, starvation leads to binging. If you starve the brain of pleasure for 24 hours, it will devour the first distraction it finds on Monday morning. Do not fast. Regulate. 1. Stop treating all dopamine the same. There is cheap dopamine, and there is earned dopamine. Cheap dopamine is scrolling, sugar, and likes. It is free. It creates debt. Earned dopamine is a workout, a finished project, or a cold shower. It costs effort. It creates equity. 2. Identify the leakage. Check your screen time. That number is not just time. It is your leaked motivation. You are not lazy. You are empty. 3. The replacement rule. You cannot remove a behavior without replacing it. If you take away the phone, you must add the book. A void creates anxiety. A replacement creates focus. 4. Friction is your friend. Laziness is a tool. Use it. Make the bad habit impossible to reach. Put the phone in another room. If you have to walk to get it, you won't do it. 5. Grayscale the screen. Color is a drug. Turn the screen black and white. The phone becomes a tool, not a toy. Boring is safe. 6. The first hour firewall. No inputs before output. Do not consume content until you have created value. Earn your consumption. Production first, reward second. 7. Reclaim the transition. When you wait in line, do not pull out the phone. Look at the world. Boredom is not a bug. It is a feature. It is the brain cleaning itself. 8. Active rest beats passive scrolling. Scrolling is not resting. It is processing data. To rest, you must unplug. Walk. Stare at a wall. Sit in silence. True rest has no pixels. 9. Control the gates. Turn off all non-human notifications. If a person didn't write it, you don't need to see it. Your pocket should only vibrate for reality. You do not need less dopamine. You need better sources. Stop snorting the cheap stuff. Go earn the real thing. Quality over quantity.